So the first example is like we count down to 3. 3, 2, 1. And why is 3 called 3? So there are some, different explanations, but 3 has 3 different angles. So if you see here, we say 0 because 0 has 0 angles. And we say 1 because 1 has only 1 angle. So that was a very clever explanation for me. And let's have some examples from chemistry. We have H2O, which has 3 elements. We have water, 3, ozone, and water has 3 forms, solid, liquid, and gas. Once you start with this game, it all, grows and everything. You start to see everything within 3, because 3 explains things. As you see here, atom is made of 3. I'm going to convince you by the end of my presentation. We have neutrons, protons, electrons, and solar system made of 3 things: sun, earth, moon. And so these are all rotate around each other. And some examples from previous courses. Those who take my course know this very well. The paper and thesis is made of 3 main parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. And 3 elements of a sentence: subject, object, verb. I love 3. And first 3, we always give awards. First 3, as you see, gold, bronze, and silver. We have 3 monkeys, but my sweet monkeys are now, they see, they hear, and they talk. We have the medal podium, 3, 2, 1. So these are all, about number of 3. And some examples from religion. We have the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Don't eat the 3 whites. You put on eggs. We have sugar, salt, and flour. And we have the, mysterious WWW, which is related to 666 as well. Some boring examples from the lectures: architecture. We have 3 things to define the space: event, movement, space by Tushumi. And we have 3 things to define the beauty: utilitas, puritas, and many stuff. I'm getting there now. And so these all explain. We have the famous place triads, which is, the summary is activity. In order to have a space, you need 3 things: activity, form, and identity. And 3 types of space: conceived space, lived space, perceived space from Lefebvre. And basically, we have 3 things to make an enclosed space. We have wall, ceiling, and floor. And we have 3D dimension: X, Y, Z, and this makes things 3D. And now we have 4D, but this doesn't explain my theory. Come on, so we need 3 things to draw. We need pencil, paper, eraser. Some might need pen, but I need pencil. We have 3, these set squares to draw: 30, 60, 45. And we have 3 iPod, iPad, and iPhone to communicate, to meet with the world. And some things from art. We have 3 main colors, as you see on me. I'm a little entertainer today. And 3 kings of jazz, as I learned from my, musical masters. And you need the musical triad again for the basis of harmony. So, what color is the dress? 3 things. Red, blue, I don't know, but it's again 3. So, what color is this?
Red.
No, yellow. This is yellow. So that's why it's 3. I made it 3 concept. So we have 3 gender: woman, man, and gay. We have DNA, cell, nucleus, and chromosome make the DNA. To explain the 3, the structure of 3, we have the root, the trunk, and the branch, which makes a 3. And let's go to biology. You have 3 things again. Sperm and egg comes together and make embryo, which is the origin of the pregnancy, which has 3 different phases, which are called trimester of pregnancy. And we have the nuclear family, which are father, child, and the mother. So you need for happiness, you need to balance harmony of these 3 things: body, soul, and spirit, or spirit, soul, and body, or you need harmony between all these tree for your happiness in your partner or in your life. I think that's quite fair. And Eureka, that's how it started. So these are my notes from my PhD notes. And on the left you see the love in the middle, on the right you see the city. So I tried to find some similarities. I tried to explain love with mind, the soul and body. City is like form, image, activity, so that explains something for me. We have rhetoric theory, logos, ethos, pathos, Bloom's taxonomy, cosmology laws as well, cognitive, affective, and psychomotor learning abilities. So if you bring all these three, you achieve learning. And three apples that change the world. On the left we have what seduced Adam, what woke Newton, and created by Steve Jobs. So things are all related to three, believe in me. You will understand more if you believe the mystery behind the tree. And you make three wishes, guys. And so always three apples fell from the sky by the end of the movies, by the end of the day. So today, my little